Welcome back, guys, to another couple of clips that we've found. This one was online, publicly available. So you can see the van has pulled out there in front of the car. But if we were to play this back again in slow motion, instant replay, who was in the wrong? This driver here who sees the van pulling out, or the van that pulls out in front of them? Give us a comment, let us know what you think. It's always an interesting debate. There's argument on both sides. On to clip number 2. This was someone on their actual driving test. Again, we've got the footage online, publicly available to use. There's a collision with a bus here on a tight bend. Playing this back. Let's just see what happens. Again, slowing the footage down a little bit here. So who was in the wrong? Was it the driver who's coming round towards the bend? Was it the bus that's going to need to take a bit extra space to get round? Why was there a collision there? Let us know in the comments. Always fascinating to have your views on the matters. Thank you, guys. Until next time. Bye bye.